guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have some really cute Christmas decor DIYs that you can make and put it up for this Christmas festival. So I really like all the DIYs that I have made. So let's get into the video. For the first DIY, you will need a paper plate, A4 size sheet papers, glue and paper cutter. First I'm going to take this rounder and draw a circle on the paper plate, and then I'm going to take this paper knife and start cutting it like clean cut. After doing that, I'm gonna start sticking those paper cuts to the paper plate. I really don't know how to explain this, but I hope it will help you by watching this video. After it is fully stuck nicely, I'm gonna start painting it. I'm gonna use the light green and the dark green. You can actually, instead of painting, you can actually use the dark green and light green paper charts, but I'm done painting, I'm gonna take this 3D cone markers of red and white color, and I'm just gonna draw like dots at random places, so it gives like a nice look to this. And this is your Christmas wreath. For DIY number 2, you will need sketch pens, toothpick or a bamboo stick, a clay and A4 sheet papers. What you're gonna do is draw triangles and use sketch pens to color it. Again, you can also use chart paper. The next thing I'm gonna do is fold the triangles up and then down like a fan, and then I'm gonna take the rounder and make holes, and then finally I'm gonna insert a toothpick. For DIY number 3, this is like my favorite and the cutest one. You'll need pine cone, some paints. Here I'm taking the pine cone and I'm taking clay to make the head and the hands. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna color the head white and also the pine cone fully white. The next thing, I'm gonna draw like paint black for the head. I'm gonna make a penguin, so I'm gonna just paint it nicely, just the head part. After doing that, I'll make the eyes with the rounder, like making a hole and then painting black inside it, and then the nose. Next I'm attaching the hands and painting it black. For the last DIY, you will need clay and some paints. Here I am taking chapati atta because I didn't have clay. What I'm gonna do is roll nicely to make it flat, but make sure it's thick enough. And next I'm gonna make like my hand measurement and start cutting it so that I get a hand shape, like a hand design on baldi clay. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start painting it first white. I'm gonna start making the beard. I also made a small size one. So yeah guys, that's it for the Christmas DIYs. I hope you guys liked it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And also Merry Christmas. Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho!